Instagram is one of the most powerful digital marketing platforms today. It helps you to make money by reaching your target audience effectively. Initially, it may seem hard to imagine how you can monetize Instagram. Therefore, here are some tips for you. 1. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be a good revenue stream once you've got a sizable following. Partner with a brand to generate awareness as well as sales in exchange for a commission. 2. Publish sponsored posts for brands. Influencer marketing is one of the most popular strategies brands rely on, with 95% of marketers finding it effective. Brands are always looking to collaborate with Instagrammers to deliver their targeted messages to prospective consumers. 3. Launch your e-commerce store. If you're a product creator, Instagram is a great platform for you to market your products. Your products are an extension of you as a brand, so build a business around them for your audience. 4. Sell digital products. Having established yourself as a subject matter expert, you can market digital resources that your followers might find useful. From travel guides and ebooks to fitness programs, there's a lot you can offer. 5. Become a storytelling consultant. If you're particularly good at using pictures to tell a story, you can monetize this talent of yours. Use your knack for storytelling to help brands write compelling narratives for themselves. There's a world of opportunities on Instagram to earn money by leveraging the platform. You just have to know to use them correctly. For more such informative videos, subscribe to Agio.